sucky. Let's see if we can get this off. Definitely having problems with my you know, that's going to be upside down and backwards. Having problems with my inkjet printer water slide paper. There's something wrong with this batch. It's giving me lines that don't come off the backing paper. Let's see if he's going to come off. Poor little pengies had so much trouble last time I tried to take them off this paper. There we go. Okay. Now the tree's going to be there, which means the little pengy is going to go. Oh, he's going to be on the other side. Okay. Tree, penguin. And we're back. So I just wanted to show you the updates that I made to our penguin Christmas tumbler. I decided to put a whole bunch more, basically I have the rest of the penguins. This is art set I bought from Etsy. I'll link to that below. It has 6 different Christmas themed cute penguins with some other Christmassy things included, like the tree and a gift or two. And there was a gingerbread man. He didn't make it onto the cup. So I decided to put all of the penguins on after doing the first few with the tree. And then I put a couple of extras. You'll notice this guy flipped around is this guy down here. And this guy flipped around is this guy up here. And then I sort of stacked the others and put some food and some trees, yeah, right, some gifts, or a gift. And then what I did, instead of the Merry Christmas across the top, which was, as it turns out, kind of crooked, I went into my Cricut and I picked a typeface and I grabbed a sheet of red premium vinyl, adhesive vinyl, and I had seen this phrase in an Etsy store earlier, so I decided to borrow it, kind of, because I have the penguins already. So it's penguining to look a lot like Christmas. Rather than going back and cutting this whole thing out a little smaller so the Christmas would fit across with the exclamation point, I just did that to accentuate it. So it's a kind of slapdash throw together cup, but honestly, I absolutely love it. And if somebody who loves penguins sees this and they're looking for a Christmas cup, boy, this would certainly fit the bill, wouldn't it? I think it's adorable. And I have another one of the little gifts on the bottom there. So next up with this, and just to recap, we have our 2 others that are going to stay basically plain white, but everything will be resined with Marabou alcohol ink in rainbow sparkles. So everything will sparkle. And so we have this one that has the wreath with a red bow and a lantern, and I did put an extra little graphic on the bottom. And then we have this one, which has our beautiful blue snowman holding a lantern and a blue bow. I guess he's not a blue snowman. He's a snowman with a blue scarf and mittens and bow. And I haven't figured out what to put on the bottom of this one. Maybe some Christmas tree shaped glitter or something on the bottom. So those are our 3 quick and easy white Christmas tumblers. In each case, I just spray painted the prep tumbler. Let's see if I can move you over here. I spray painted each tumbler white, then I sprayed it again with a layer of gloss clear. That allows me to put the water slides on. These are all water slides with the exception of the red saying at the top of this cup. Everything else here is a color water slide printed off my inkjet printer. And I put it on the cups, just on the paint and gloss clear. I will spray all of these now with a couple layers of matte clear to seal everything in and hold it all on. And then I'll put these on my turner and I will put on epoxy resin with the rainbow alcohol ink in it to provide a lot of sparkle. So these will be beautiful, sparkly, relatively easy and quick. Not a whole lot of layers of epoxy. I'm just going to put them together. I'm taking them to a little sale I'm going to for at a Christmas tree farm. So these will be available there in case anybody wants to grab a last minute gift. So there you have it, folks. I will finish this video with a look at the final product so you can see exactly what we ended up with in all its glittery glory, or sparkly glory, I guess. And thank you so much. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.